Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. I was thinking of something la. You know why uThembazwane bafethu ephumelele kangaka ebholeni and ulaste isikhathi esingaka ku-professional setup where abantu badlala o-5 years or 3 years kuphele ngapho. It's because of uyalithanda ibhola. And uthanda ibhola more than what comes with you being a professional footballer. So abantu abaningi, the current generation ama-2000 athanda ifemu nama-teams ukuthi umuntu udlalela i-Chiefs, udlalela i-Pirates, udlalela i-Sundowns, bathanda i-association or izinto eziza nebhola. Then they forget ukuthi le bhola leli yilo ekumele balibeke phambili kube i-priority. Ba-train-e hard, bahloniphe, bali-respect, baphathe kahle and then ba-make sure ukuthi imizimba yabo bayiphatha kahle in terms of ukuresta, ukudla kahle, bangaphithizeli ukuya le nale. uThembazwane i-success yakhe akulona iphutha bafethu, uyilwele le nto leyo, uyisebenzele. I mean uThembazwane, it's not just uThembazwane kuphela. I was also thinking of abadlali abafana nabo-Teko Modise. Yes, uTeko Modise imali ibe too much because he became a millionaire and waba nama-brand association. Lezi zinto zama-sponsors zama-brand zaqala ngoTeko Modise ngo-2009. uTeko Modise was the biggest name in South African football. So bengadiphendanga kule nto le yokuthi kumele ahole ku-Orlando Pirates. No, bekuza ama-hundreds of thousands eceleni from iy'ponza, abantu abafuna ukuzi-associate-a naye and so forth. But before yonke leyo nto leyo, uTeko Modise bethanda ibhola more than the hype around the hype ezanani nebhola. When I was young, I used to see uTeko Modise adlala elokishini bafowethu, elokishini. And people don't even know this thing ukuthi uTeko Modise i-Orlando Pirates yamstopha ukuthi adlale emalokishini. Without i-Orlando Pirates imstopha, uTeko Modise bezodlala emalokishini ngama-off season, ngoDisemba umbone udlalela emalokishini laphana eDustin, forgetting ayiphoze kancane indaba ye-P_S_L ukuthi udlala ku-P_S_L uyi-professional. Why? Because of uyalithanda ibhola. Today akekho umdlalo waku-P_S_L ozodlala elokishini bafowethu, to be fair. Maybe ku-National First Division abanye bangazama, but also manje I understand because of ibhola selinama-image rights, selinezinto ey'ningi ukuthi ungalimala elokishini i-team izoba senkingeni kwasha kwacima. But you have to love ibhola. You don't have to kudlala elokishini ukuprove ukuthi uthanda ibhola. Kumele ulithande more than udumo leli eliza nebhola. I mean masibheke uThembazwane bafethu izinto azi-achieve-ile, i-talent, i-hard work yakhe lo muntu lo. I watched him when he was at even before abazi kuVardos, because of kuVardos i-third division. Elokishini, edlala elokishini angabi nalutho, but-ke ukuziphatha kwakhe, number one. Akekho umuntu ozonda uThembazwane engimaziyo on a personal scale. Yes, abantu baba nomona uThembazwane meya kuMamelodi Sundowns, abanye close to yena benza ngathi bamjabulela meya kuMamelodi Sundowns. I remember what was happening, but I won't even dive into that thing. But abantu abamazela, especially from a distance, hhayi abamazela from a distance, bayazi ukuthi uwumuntu onjani. You would see him udlalela iMamelodi Sundowns, uyahambela laphana emgwaqeni Nkosi yami, he's just a normal guy othandela ukudlala ibhola and then nokudeliver ama-results egrawundini. And I mean i-success yaBafana Bafana, in fact i-success kaHugo Broos i-centered around uThembazwane. Without uThembazwane ama-performances wakhe ayikho i-success kaHugo Broos. There's no way Hugo Broos abe ne-success anayo without uThembazwane. And like if singaba nama-players like a-discipline, akwazi ukuwuphatha kahle njengoThembazwane, athanda ibhola. Most important thing, kumele ulithande ibhola. NjengoThembazwane, i-South Africa ingaba successful, ingaba way ahead because khona abadlali aba-talented more than uThembazwane, but they don't even get to be matured because of when you advance to a professional setup usase-green. So mangichaza ukuthi usase-green, awakafiki ku-stage la ukuthi ungathwala i-team, kumele u-evolve, ukhule, u-understand ibhola kangcono. Like people can even attest to this. The first time ngibona uCristiano Ronaldo ku-Manchester United, it was not the Cristiano Ronaldo lo simbone ku-Real Madrid. Evolution, he evolved. He became a better player ku-Real Madrid. Ku-Manchester United, he was just a player ezinye izinto angazi-understand. I remember i-first season yakhe bekuna Van Nistelrooy. He was not even close to be the leader and bekamaningi amaphutha awenzayo. Yes, bekanaso iskili, adlala laphana esayidini, ashaya i-step over, square ibhola, uVan Nistelrooy akwazi ukuliqedelela ibhola, and then later on he played with uRooney. But i-evolution yakhe uyayibona ukuthi akavelanga aba the best player at just 20, no. Ushintshile washintsha and then he became advanced ukuthi okay uzofocusa kuma-goal than ukuthi just esayidini or taking players on afocuse ku-skill. So uyalibona iplayer li-evolve liba umuntu ongcono. For example, uShabalala, that's not even Umdu Shabalala, lo waKaizer Chiefs. It's not the peak of yena what he can do. He can still evolve to even a greater player. He's not even close, but it's not even 50% what he can do. 50% 40, that's too much, but it's not even like 30%. So, but these players don't understand that they have to evolve. They have to switch their games. They have to study the game, ukuthi igame idlalwa kanjani, and try to beat the current system and to be like step ahead compared to Amayama players, right? But the players don't understand that thing. And even the fans, yabona into engisho, the fans don't understand it at all. Uzozwa umuntu athi, awulazi ibhola or wazi ibhola, whatever. Ngiyasho isikhathi esiningi uma ngikhuluma ngama-player ukuthi angilazi ibhola based on what I have seen and me studying the game outside football and even playing the beautiful game, ngabona ukuthi hey lento le ibhola deeper than the way siyibona ngakhona thina as ama-fans, because thina we just see the surface kuphela. We don't see ngaphansi like i-depth ukuthi what do you have to do in order to stay on top, what do you have to do in order to evolve, to get better, to be greater. And Themba Zwane is that example. Is that example. But most of the people don't get that thing. They don't understand. Maningi ama-players are young. Like in 5 years' time, you look at iplayer elifana ngizokwenza iplayer elifana noNgcobo, for example, bafethu ne. For example, uNgcobo weKaizer Chiefs udlala i-midfield. How many years eKaizer Chiefs? U-evolve kanjani igame yakhe, yasteppa up kanjani? Has he evolved? No, he hasn't really evolved since introduction yakhe, because of ngathi i-evolution yakhe i-backtrackile. Because when he was introduced as a number 10, it was super exciting going forward with that flair, with the spark, with everything. And igame yakhe yaya phansi. So sesimbona this season futhi he has upped his game, but you can't really say iplayer leli eliye like eliye phezulu. But ngenza example ngaye kuphela, kusiwuye kuphela maningi ama-player amancane. Ushisa umfethu 20, lese una 19, 20, 21, uba naleyo nto leyo, but 22 to 25 ayisekho indaba yakhe. And then how do we make sure, or abantu abasebholeni, how do they make sure ukuthi ama-players gets better bafethu, in terms of evolving? Because without players getting better, and then that's like that's a big problem. Are we well equipped ukuthi ama-players abe kuma-programs, kube kuma-systems? At the same time abafana abalaleli siya-understand, but-ke umuntu kumele abe nama-goals. uShabalala for example, uMduduzi Shabalala for example, wa-introduce Kaizer Chiefs I think late 2022. Has his game evolved? And evolve kanjani? I-change kanjani? And what has he done? Imaphi ama-goal asethela wona esizini? Omabhena beMamelodi Sundowns, you understand? So abantu abaningi, they haven't evolved, to be fair. Uba ile player, same le player bebala hyper 3 years back, kusaseyilo namhlanje, akaka-change i-game model yakhe, akabi advanced to i-game. These are good players by the way, but i-problem akusiyo ama-player, i-problem is-system, even no coaches aba-around bona ukuthi I wish abantu abaningi bangacoachwa uRhulani Mokwena. I wish bangacoachwa uRhulani Mokwena. There's something he said kuThembi Nkosi Lodge last season. I was like, now this is the coaching. Ucoach abantu abaningi abangabukela kuye ukuthi okay, with lo coach lo bangenza 1 2 3, banga-achieve 1 2 3 if bakanjena kanje. But-ke lokho akwenzeki kuma-players amaningi. It is sad bafethu, it is sad. uRhulani Mokwena ukutshela kahle ukuthi advance in terms of ukuya phambili, watshela uLodge ukuthi zama ukuthola amagoli, shaya amagoli kakhulu mfowethu. That is what we're seeing kuLodge. Wademanda more from uLodge, wathi amagoli nama-assist abaluleke kakhulu, because yizo izinto ezizobalwa eziwena ezi-forward or umuntu odlala i-wing or oyi-attacker, ukuthi kumele ube better and greater kulezi zinto lezi. If you don't improve that thing, then ngeke ube iplayer eli-better or elingcono. You have to get better in terms of ukushaya amagoli. Kumele uwashaye amagoli ungadlali. Uyawashaya amagoli manje uThembi Nkosi-Lotche akusinaye i-striker but he is able to bury the opportunities la awatholayo. So baningi kakhulu abantu abangabukela kuye uThembi Nkosi-Lotche and abangafunda from ama-coaches afana no-Rhulani Magoe. That is why ku-important ukuthi abafana bakwazi ukufunda bafowethu. Funda, bheka abantu abenze kangcono. Ungafundi wena inkinga, the problem is that abantu banama-idols are-wrong. For example, uRelem Mofokeng i-idol lakhe uThembi Nkosi-Lotche, bekakuwuThembi Nkosi-Lotche laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. uThembi Nkosi kwenzeni ku-Orlando Pirates? Akaziphathanga kahle, ekugcineni bekafuna ukuba i-main character and imagine if uThembi Nkosi-Lotche bekhona lapha no-Relem Mofokeng ku-Orlando Pirates, njengoba kusho ukuthi umfana bengeka-develop to the highest level. Why? Because of bekazosayida noThembi Nkosi-Lotche. Ngapha uThembi Nkosi-Lotche udisturba i-team because of i-core ye-team ayikho right. Why? Because of manje kumele kube nama-groups a-different ukuthi usibani bani ufavor bani, uLotche kuthiwa unenkinga noHotho. So let's say iplayer efana noRelem Mofokeng bekumele li-choose ama-side and then i-team as a whole iba affected. So it was just a blessing in disguise ukuthi uLotche ahambe ku-Orlando Pirates, uRelem Mofokeng akwazi ukukhula kangconywana. Siyazi ukuthi uyamfavor uLotche but-ke it was not gonna be good if uLotche noRelem Mofokeng babasethimini eyi-one. And Relem Mofokeng wouldn't have advanced to the level la kuyo. Because of it's not just a physical game, but it's mental. It's what you do when you're not inside the field of play. It's how the team gels. It's how the teams complement one another. Izinto eziba-affectayo, ukudlalisana kahle. You know, manje wonke umuntu uyamcelebrate uRelem Mofokeng. Like izinto ezincane ezishape-a impilo yomuntu zimenze abe i-better footballer. You can always be better and greater, but uRelem Mofokeng wenza kahle kakhulu. Danke bafethu, sesibambeni lana.